Luke chapter 5, verse 4 to 6. When he finished speaking, he said to Simon, "Push the boat out further to the deep water, and you and your partners let down your nets for a catch." "Master," Simon answered, "we worked hard all night long and caught nothing, but if you say so, I will let down the nets." They let down and caught such a large number of fish that the nets were about to break. John chapter 21, verse 5, 6, and 9. Then he said to them, "Young men, haven't you caught anything?" "Not a thing," they answered. He said to them, "Throw your net out on the right side of the boat, and you will catch some." So they threw the net out and could not pull it back in, because they had caught so many fish. When they had stepped ashore, they saw a charcoal fire there with fish on it and some bread. Now, I pray that somebody be encouraged by this message. Listen, you may have done so many things, precisely all things that you may plan to do. But maybe it is time to reconsider if what you've been doing it by your own strength, by your own power, by your own will, by your own desire and purpose. Because the scripture says all things work together for good to them that loves God, to them that are called according to his purpose. So you must not miss the word purpose, according to his purpose, not your purpose. And you must know that Yeshua said you cannot do anything without him. He said, "Without me you can do nothing." So look at the disciples. They tried to fish by themselves. We don't know if they prayed to Yeshua or either by any means they went to fish. And they got the right tools. But they came defeated by the situation and got discouraged. But Yeshua said in both of the chapters, "Go again, same place, same tools, lower your nets." They came victorious. What he revealed in this matter, he reveals his glory, that he does not work according to the standards of men. If the situations, any kind of situation that you are in now, it has been giving you trouble for as long as you can remember, if you call on him and allow him to give you a commandment, fervently with you waiting in prayer, fasting and word, obeying in alignment and working with him, if you allow him to just command a word in your life, be assured that will come to pass. And he knows that you are worried, so he has already prepared everything for you. Just like in John 21 verse 9, they found him with fire and bread and fish. He knew that they were hungry, so already everything that belongs to you is being prepared. But be assured